Hey guys, so I bought this the other day, so I thought it's kind of gross, like a brain. So I'm gonna be trying this out. It doesn't look really appetizing, so let's get this going. Let's open it up here so I'm not making a mess. It's gonna be hard not making a mess. All right. Make a mess. Grody, gross. I know it's not a real brain, but it looks like it. Let's put some blood on it. Grody. So gross. Alright. Alright, check this out. I don't know if you guys see it. So I'm going to be hitting that one. Just stay there. I'm going to get a fork because I'm not putting my hands on that. Alright, let's try this out. Let's take a knife too. Look like a Hannibal. Brains. Brains. Yeah, it's all mushy. Wow, it's not easy. What the heck? What's in there? I don't think it was supposed to get cut. Alright, let's put some blood a little bit. No, it's not blood. Smells like gummy bears. Okay. It's okay. It's gummy bears. It's basically candy. I know it was candy before, but so it's good. For $1.50, it's good. So this is the brain. I'm not eating the whole thing because no way. So just let you show it, and then if you guys want to see me eat more brain, let me know, and subscribe and likes, and I'll see you later. Bye.